Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping playback instantly. Tap the play/pause control or press K/space on desktop. Once done, the frame freezes and audio halts so you can inspect content. If you need frame-level control, press J or L to jump 10 seconds backward or forward, then hit pause again. On mobile, tap the center of the player so the controls appear and hit pause. Make sure to watch for overlays that hide buttons, and tap again if needed. Next, refine exactly where playback stops by using the timeline and frame step controls. Drag the progress bar slowly to the desired timestamp, then use the left/right arrow keys for precise, frame-by-frame positioning. This is why keyboard control matters. Once positioned, press pause to lock the video. You can also reduce speed to 0. 5x or enable captions to confirm content before locking the frame. These steps help you finally make the stop durable and fix issues if the player resists. After pausing, click outside any overlays so the player stays visible. Press ESC to clear menus. If the player is frozen or unresponsive, reload the page, let playback start briefly, then pause immediately. This often resets the state. If autoplay or unexpected behavior continues, clear cache or disable browser extensions that alter playback. Doing so resolves most conflicts and ensures your pause command works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.